Hey guys, I got a new wax to try. This is Sexy Smooth Wax in Cherry Desire, and let's see how it works. We're going to do this underarm. This client has about 5 to 6 weeks of hair growth here. We're going to go in and just make our usual U shape with the lip at the tip there. Make sure it's dry. Then we're going to come in with our stick and pull it up. And look how much hair that got. We're going to come back in here in just a second and do a cleanup strip in the opposite direction to make sure that we get all the hairs. And again, you want to make a little lip at the tip to make sure that you can easily grip the wax and pull it up. Tap, make sure it's dry, and pull. Little stagger there, and it is up. We're going to come back in because I see a little bit of hair in the center of that underarm. We're going to pull that up. If you are looking for a wax that is virtually painless, gets most of the hairs that first time through, and is affordable, I highly suggest Sexy Smooth Wax and Cherry Desire. Their purple wax is great too. So far, I love them all. Take care.